Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of coordination chemistry, today we will see what is the ligand and classification of ligands. You know what is the ligand? Ligand यानी इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर स्पीसीज. हमने कॉम्प्लेक्स में देखा है व्हाट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन इन कॉम्प्लेक्स. रिमेंबर कॉम्प्लेक्स इज मेड अप ऑफ मेटल or metal ion and ligands. In complex, here ligands are electron pair donor to metal or metal ion. यानी इसमें मेटल और मेटल आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर खींचता है कहां से? So from ligand. And a ligand is electron pair donor, and we know that electron pair donors are Lewis bases and electron pair acceptors are Lewis acids. ये ज्यादा रिच होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, बहुत इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. What is the condition to become a ligand? Remember, at least one lone pair of electron is required. And generally, that lone pair of electron should present in s atomic orbital. So it can donate that pair of electron to metal or metal ion. यानी ये ज्यादा धनवान है, इसके पास पैसा बहुत है. And we know that metal is electropositive. Metals are electropositive in nature and metals are electron donors. But ये बड़ा लालची है, खुद के पास पैसा होकर भी क्या करता है? लिगैंड्स को पैसे मांगता है. यानी here metal or metal ion is electron pair acceptor and ligand is electron pair donor. And combination of these two formation of complex. Square bracket is the meaning of this complex. So what is the conclusion? Ligand यानी electron pair donor species. Now what is the classification? Classification of ligands. Remember classification of ligands on the basis of 2 points. एक चार्ज के ऊपर, यानी we can classify ligands on the basis of charge. And दूसरा classification of ligands on the basis of point of attachment. Point of attachment. यानी how many electron pair donor atoms are present in that ligand. So we'll see one by one. So first I will take on the basis of charge and a classification of ligands on the basis of charge. So here first type ligands with negative charge, यानी negatively charged ligands, negatively charged ligands, negatively charged ligands. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा है हमने नेगेटिव चार्ज स्पीसीज एंड न्यूक्लियोफाइल, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच, एंड स्पीसीज व्हिच कैरीज नेगेटिव चार्ज and that is electron pair donor, we can say that is ligand. It may be organic as well as inorganic. So here species which carries negative charge and species which carries negative charge, here it is negative charge, is said to be what? Negative ligands. Examples, I will take H minus. H minus is said to be hydride, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है. This is anion of hydrogen. We know that atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. When this electron is removed, इसका जो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है हमने खींचा, निकाल दिया, तो क्या बनेगा? It will be what? H plus. And electronic configuration of this will be 1s0. यानी H plus is electron deficient. ये लिगैंड कभी नहीं बनेगा, खुद के पास कुछ नहीं, H plus 0. He is waiting for electrons, electron deficient. This is electron deficient. But what is the H minus? Same species we can write here H minus, यानी electronic configuration is already 1 electron is there, and minus 1 यानी addition of 1 electron, it will give 1s. Now here pair of electron is there, so here pair of electron, so this hydrogen can donate, this hydride can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion. हमने देखा है लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड में देखा है. What is structure of lithium aluminum hydride? We write like this LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. But correct structure of this, I will write like this Li square bracket AlH4, and we know that this is complex. ये complex है, ये कैटायन है, ये कैटायन का काम करेगा और ए अनायन का, यानी Li प्लस एंड AlH4 माइनस. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स है. इस कॉम्प्लेक्स में लिगैंड कौन सा है? H माइनस इज द लिगैंड, यानी इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर होगा. सो H माइनस इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज. अनदर एग्जांपल, आई विल टेक Cl माइनस. Cl minus is the ligand. Electron rich can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion. Strength of ligand is different part, we will say later on. Cl minus, electron rich pair of electron 1 2 3 like this, and this one. Similarly Br minus, negative ligand. I minus, even F minus is also negative ligand, can donate, F minus can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion, isn't it? Otherwise we know that fluorine is the most electronegative element in periodic table, but due to this negative sign it has 2 extra electrons, so it can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion. OH minus, negative ligand, here lone pair of electrons are present like this. NH2 minus, negative charge, negatively charged ligand. Here nitrogen is the point of attachment. ये negative charge nitrogen पे होता है, हाइड्रोजन पे नहीं. SO4 2 minus, negative ligand. Here it is 2 negative. Carbonate CO3 2 minus, CO3 2 minus. Oxalato यानी C2O4 2 minus, negative charge. This ligand is said to be oxalato. All these are negatively charged ligands, etc. There are so many examples, so many examples. All these are negatively charged ligands. We must know what is charge of that ligand. If we want to calculate oxidation number, then we must know the oxidation number, then we must know the charge of that ligand. So all these are negatively charged ligand. There are so many examples are there. Even EDTA is also negative ligand. EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, negative ligand. You know structure of EDTA? Structure of EDTA, ethylene. This is ethylene. Diamine, so 2 nitrogen having lone pair of electrons like this. टेट्रा एसिटेट यानी रेडी CH2 C double bond O minus. Here also acetate O minus. Here also to acetate O minus. Linus. How many electron donor atoms are there? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Charge minus. Negativity. Second type. Any doubt about this? Second type. Ligands with neutral charge. Second, ligands with null charge यानी न्यूट्रल ligands and without any charge, but that is electron rich. And species without any charge, but that is a ligand, electron rich. What is condition for this? Species should have lone pair of electron. Example, ammonia. On this nitrogen there is one lone pair of electron, ammonia. Water, H2O. Here two lone pair of electrons are there. Remember, oxygen can donate only one pair of electron, but not easily. If we compare strength of ligand between ammonia and water, ammonia is a strong ligand. And nitrogen can donate pair of electrons very easily because nitrogen is less electronegative compared to oxygen. ऑक्सीजन के पास दो पेयर्स है, 2 electron pairs are there, 2 lone pair of electrons are there, but oxygen can donate only one pair. हमारे पास 2 किडनीज है, इधर एक और इधर एक. अगर किसी को हमें किडनी डोनेट करने देनी है, so we can donate only one, दो नहीं दे सकते. Is it possible? It is not possible. एक दे सकते हैं बट नॉट हैप्पीली. कौन सा भी रिश्तेदार हो, पास का हो दूर का हो, अगर कोई फ्रेंड हो, वी कैन डोनेट ओनली वन बट नॉट हैप्पीली. एग्जैक्टली सेम हियर. ऑक्सीजन कैन डोनेट ओनली वन पेयर. मैक्सिमम कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज 3. न्यूट्रल लिगैंड विदाउट एनी चार्ज. आई विल टेक pyridine. What is structure of pyridine? This is the structure of pyridine, heterocyclic aromatic compound. यानी species without any charge, but on this nitrogen there is lone pair of electrons, so nitrogen can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion. यानी this is neutral ligand. You can take any alcohol, that is alcohol ROH. Here 2 lone pair of electrons are there. Amines RNH2 without any charge. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Carbonyl, CO neutral ligand. Carbonyl, carbon monoxide. This is the neutral ligand without any charge. I can take bipyridine. Here bipyridine or dipyridine, you can write any name without any charge, like this. Here it is one lone pair of electron, here it is one lone pair of electron. Name of this is 1, second, first, second 2 dash. We can write 2 dash dipyridine, 2 dash dipyridine. And ligands without any charge, यानी what? Negative. Neutral ligand. There is no charge. zero charge, null charge, neutral. H2O neutral without any charge, pyridine neutral without any charge. Species with a null charge is said to be neutral ligand. Species with a negative charge is said to be what? Negative ligands. There are so many examples of negative ligands, neutral ligands, isn't it? We'll take slowly. What is third type? Third type, positive ligand. In organic chemistry, we know that species with positive charge are not electrophile. So here, third type, positively charged ligands. Positively charged ligands. Positively charged ligands. And species with positive charge. Species with positive charge. Then also can donate pair of electrons. How it is possible? We know that positive charge and electrophile. Beggar, you can compare electrophile with beggar. भीख मांगने वाला, उसके पास डेफिशिएंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं होते, इसलिए भीख मांगता है. Then how it is possible species with positive charge and it can donate pair of electron? I will take example of this. इसका example दूंगा मैं, you know hydrazine, NH2, NH2. Here two nitrogen atoms having lone pair of electrons. Protonation of this not complete. Protonation of one nitrogen, protonation. Any one nitrogen can donate pair of electron to what? H plus. This is electron deficient species. इसके पास एक भी इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं है, 0 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, इसको 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स चाहिए. So this nitrogen, either this nitrogen, both are symmetrical. Anyone can donate pair of electron to this. यानी here NH2 and here it will be NH3 plus. Because this nitrogen is going to donate pair of electrons, so acquired positive charge. This positive charge is neutralized by gaining electrons. Negative positive will cancel, but this nitrogen will acquire positive charge. After protonation of one nitrogen, still this nitrogen can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion. Yet this is ligand with positive charge. Here it is a positive charge. Ligand with positive charge. Another example I will take dipyridine. Here it is the structure of dipyridine having lone pair of electron on both nitrogen atom. मैंने इसका भी प्रोटोनेशन किया, इसका भी प्रोटोनेशन. Incomplete, not complete. Protonation of only one nitrogen atom. So here this nitrogen can donate pair of electron to H plus, and this nitrogen will acquire positive charge. यानी after protonation the structure of intermediate structure of this compound is like this. Dipyridinium ion, like this. Here it is a positive charge, but still this nitrogen can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion, but differently. So three types of ligands are there on the basis of charge: negative, neutral, and positive. It is very easy to identify whether ligand is positively charged, negatively charged, or neutral. And by using this, we can calculate oxidation number of metal ion. And this charge on ligand is related to oxidation number of metal and metal ion. If you want to calculate oxidation number of any metal, you must know the charge on that ligand. So this is the first classification. There are so many examples, so we'll take later on. What is another classification? So second classification of ligands on the basis of point of attachment. Yani, in a given ligand, how many electron pair donor atoms are there? Isn't it? So here, second classification of ligands on the basis of point of attachments or on the basis of what? Electron pair donor atoms. Classification on the basis of ligands on the basis of what? On the basis of electron pair donor atoms. Electron pair donor atoms. This is again very important. Question will be like this. For theory, give the classification of ligand. What is ligand? Give the classification of ligands. Then you should write this. Number 1, monodentate ligands. Monodentate ligands. Remember the origin of dentate, dental, एक दांत का प्राणी, and a species having only one electron pair donor atom. Monodentate. Second type, polydentate ligands. Polydentate ligands. When two or more than 2 points of attachments are there, we can say that is a polydentate ligand. And third one is ambidentate. Exchangeable points of attachments. Ambidentate ligands. This is the classification of ligands on the basis of point of attachment. This classification is also very important. So we'll see one by one. First, monodentate ligands. And a ligand with only one electron pair donor atom. Electron pair donor atom. Only one electron pair donor atom. And only one point of attachment is there through which it can coordinate with metal or metal ion. Yani monodentate ligand can form only one coordinate bond. Isn't it? एक ही coordinate bond form करता है. Unequal sharing of electrons in the coordinate bond. When bonding pair electrons are provided by only one atom, that is coordinate bond. Isn't it? Example. I will take this Cl minus monodentate. Even Br minus monodentate. OH minus monodentate. Here oxygen is the electron donor atom, not hydrogen is negative charge present on oxygen. Monodentate. NO3 minus monodentate. Negative nitrogen is the electron pair donor atom. Only one. You can take neutral, that is ammonia. Ammonia is monodentate. Only nitrogen is the electron pair donor atom, not hydrogen. उसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं है. Water, monodentate. Only oxygen is the electron pair donor atom. Carbon atom CO3 minus monodentate. Sulfato SO4 minus monodentate. Pyridine C5H5N monodentate. Nitrogen is the electron pair donor atom. And a ligand with only one electron pair donor atom is said to be monodentate ligand. Isn't it? Second, polydentate. Again, there is a classification of polydentate, bidentate, tridentate, tetra, penta, etc. So, second type, any doubt about this? So, ligand with only one electron pair donor atom. Monodentate ligand can form only one coordinate bond with metal or metal ion. Only one. Like this, suppose here it is metal or metal ion, and here it is ammonia. Here it is one lone pair of electron. So only nitrogen can donate pair of electron to Mn plus, and here only one coordinate bond. Monodentate. Mono यानी single dentate dental दांत, एक दांत का प्राणी. Now second classification, that is a polydentate, and then the sub classification of polydentate ligand, bidentate, tridentate, etc. Second, polydentate. Polydentate ligands. In a polydentate, first I will take bidentate. Bidentate ligands. This word itself indicates how many points of attachments are there. How many points of attachments are there? Bi यानी to, dentate यानी दांत. Isn't it? दो दांत वाला प्राणी. So here ligand with, how to write definition? It is very simple. Ligand with two electron pair donor atoms. Two electron pair donor atoms are present through which it can coordinate with metal or metal ion. Through which it can coordinate with metal or metal ion. Now examples. I will take ethylene diamine. Here it is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. In ethylene diamine, both nitrogen having the lone pair of electron. Is it? And both nitrogen can donate pair of electrons to metal or metal ion. Suppose here it is metal or metal ion is there, Mn plus or minus. Simultaneously formation of two coordinate bonds, and this nitrogen gives pair of electron to Mn plus this metal or metal ion. Similarly, this nitrogen also gives pair of electron to metal or metal ion. And how many coordinate bonds are formed? Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So here bidentate, two electron donor atoms are there, 2 points of attachments are there. Another example. There are so many examples. Another example, oxalato. Here it is negative. This is the structure of oxalato. Total number of lone pair of electrons, there are so many lone pair of electrons are there. On these two oxygen also lone pair of electrons are there. But remember, this is the carbonyl group, and carbonyl group is electron deficient. Because to this carbon electronegative oxygen is attached, that is why drifting of electron density toward this oxygen. And this carbon is electron deficient, this carbon also electron deficient. So carbonyl oxygen is not the part of ligand. And only these two oxygen atoms can donate pair of electron. Suppose here it is metal or metal ion. So oxygen can donate pair of electron and formation of coordinate bond. Here also formation of what? Coordinate bond. And this ligand simultaneously can form two coordinate bonds. That is why this ligand is said to be bidentate 1 and 2. I will take another example. Bipyridine. Bipyridine. Just we have seen about this. Bipyridine. On this nitrogen there is one lone pair of electron. Here it is lone pair of electron. And suppose it is a metal or metal ion. It is like this, metal or metal ion. So here formation of first coordinate bond. Here formation of second coordinate bond. Is that it? Yeah, it is bidentate. Another example. Shall I rub this? Yes. Glycine atom. This is a negative ligand CH2. Here it is NH2 and here it is carboxylate group. And we know that this carbonyl oxygen is not part of ligand because carbonyl is electron deficient. Yet if this oxygen is negatively charged, here two lone pair of electrons are there. And there is one more lone pair of electron negative charge. Here this is electron rich, this nitrogen is electron rich. So both nitrogen as well as oxygen can donate pair of electron to metal or metal ion. Suppose here it is a metal or metal ion. So here formation of first coordinate bond, here formation of second coordinate bond. Is that it? Bidentate ligand. Now next, another example. I will take NIDMG complex. NIDMG complex. Here metal is nickel and ligand is a DMG. The meaning of DMG, dimethyl glyoxamate. Remember this O indicates negative ligand. हमें पता है जिसका एंडिंग O होता है, जिस लिगैंड का, वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज होता है. यानी nomenclature of negative ligand ends with O. Chloro, bromo, iodo, sulfato, carbanato, etc. So here dimethyl glyoxamate. Remember, so many times in CSIR NET, SET, GATE, question has been asked. So what is that question? Number of hydrogen bonds. This question is very important. Number of hydrogen bonds and coordinate bonds in NIDMG twice are respectively. Isn't it? How to calculate? For this we must know the structure of this complex. Options are 4,4, B 2,4, C 4,2 and D 2,2. So many times in CSIR NET, SET, GATE it has been asked. Then how to find structure, how to write the structure of this complex? See here, structure of this complex. First we must know the structure of DMG. Here DMG is the ligand, this is the negative. Glyoxamate indicates this is the negative ligand. See here, you know glyoxam. What is structure of glyoxam? The structure of glyoxam is this one. This is the glyoxam. Now DMG and dimethyl. यानी these two hydrogen atoms are replaced by what? Methyl group. Now name of this compound is dimethyl glyoxal. Dimethyl glyoxal. Glyoxam atom. In this word there is an oxime, and oxime group is there. Yani here it is like this. This is oxime. Here it is one lone pair of electron. Here it is one lone pair of electron. On this oxygen, here two, like this. But here oxime atom. Remember here one removal of one hydrogen. Here it is negative charge. So this is the structure of DMG, dimethyl. Here it is 1, 2. Glyoxal. This is a glyoxal, derivative of a glyoxal. That is why glyoxam atom. Isn't it? Glyoxam atom, here it is negative charge. So what is our question? Question is the number of hydrogen bonds and coordinate bonds. Isn't it? So for that we must know this DMG whether bidentate or tetradentate. Here in this ligand how many electron pair donor atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember this is an example of bidentate ligand. See here what is structure? From that structure we can justify this question. So here it is Ni+2. I will write here first structure of DMG here, that is dimethyl glyoxam atom. Here it is nitrogen, carbon nitrogen double bond. Here it is one lone pair of electron. Here it is one. So here it is OH, and here it is O-. Similarly, I will write another structure here like this. Here it is methyl group. Here it is methyl group. Carbon nitrogen double bond. Carbon nitrogen double bond. Here it is one lone pair of electron. Here it is one lone pair of electron. Here it is O-, and here it is OH. Now trapping is there. ये छोड़ने वाले नहीं है ना क्वेश्चन, कैप्चर करेंगे. See here, this nitrogen gives pair of electron to Ni+2. This is the first coordinate bond. This is second coordinate bond. Exactly same here. It is third coordinate bond, and here it is the fourth coordinate bond. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here OH and O- close to each other. There is an interaction between O- and OH. So remember, due to this interaction, this O- cannot donate pair of electron to Ni+2. Yani here formation of hydrogen of this OH and O- there is the formation of hydrogen bond. Similarly, here also hydrogen of this and oxygen, this oxygen reduces hydrogen bond. Now there will be total number of, here sequence is like this. Sequence is important. Number of hydrogen bonds. So how many hydrogen bonds are there? 2. And number of coordinate bonds 1, 2, 3, 4. Yani 4. So answer is what? 2, 4. So what is conclusion? DMG is a bidentate ligand. So here it can donate pair of electron. How many? 2. 2 points of attachments are there through which it can coordinate with what? Metal or metal ion. This is bidentate. Now tridentate. Any doubt about this? Tridentate. Remember the structure. This structure is very important. Tridentate. B. Tridentate. Tridentate. यानी ligand with 3 electron pair donor atoms. यानी ligand with 3 electron pair donor atoms. Electron pair donor atoms. यानी points of attachments through which it can coordinate with metal or metal ion. यानी tridentate ligand can form how many coordinate bonds simultaneously? Example. Diethylene triamine. Here it is one lone pair of electron on this nitrogen. Here it is like this. How many electron pair donor atoms are there? 1, 2, 3. Suppose here metal or metal ion is there. ये छोड़ेंगे नहीं, कैप्चर करेंगे, मेटल और मेटल आयन को भगा कर ले जाएंगे. So here this nitrogen it gives pair of electron to metal or metal ion. Similarly, this nitrogen can donate pair of electrons to metal or metal ion. Exactly same here also. And a formation of how many coordinate bonds? 3. Here formation of 3 coordinate bonds. So that is why tridentate ligand. Another example, tripyridine. Very simple example. Tri. Like this. Here one lone pair of, here one lone pair of electron, here is metal or metal ion, first, second and third. Then it can donate how many? 3 electron pair atoms. So these two are tridentate ligands. Next, tetradentate ligand. Tetradentate ligands. यानी ligands with, yes, how many? Tetra and 4 electron pair donor atoms. 4 electron pair donor atoms. And 4 points of attachments are there. 4 points of attachments. Example, triethylene. Tetraamine. Triethylene tetraamine, like this. How many electron donor atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose here metal or metal ion. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this ligand simultaneously can form how many? 4 coordinate bonds. That is why this is an example. Name of this compound is triethylene tetraamine. Example of tetradentate ligand. Next one, pentadentate. Any doubt about this? D, pentadentate. यानी how many electron donor atoms are there? Yes, how many electron donor atoms will be there? 5. यानी 5 electron pair donor atoms. यानी how many points of attachments are there? 5. See here, this is the pentadentate ligand, our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? ऐसा पकड़ते. So at a time formation of how many coordinate bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose this is a metal or metal ion, like this. Metal or metal ion, this is the first coordinate bond, this is second coordinate, this is third, this is fourth and this one is fifth. Pentadentate ligand. And how many electron donor atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 points of attachments. And example of this ethylene diamine. Example of this ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine triacetate. So here CH2 ethylene diamine, 2 lone pair of electrons, triacetate, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O minus, and on this nitrogen 2 acetate, CH2, C double bond O minus, here also CH2, C double bond O minus, How many electron donor atoms are there? Forget about carbonyl. Forget about this. Carbonyls are electron deficient. इसको भूल जा. 1. Here 2. O minus 3. Here it is 4. And here it is 5. How many electron donor atoms are present in this compound? Ethylene diamine triacetate. This is one acetate group. This is second acetate group. This is third. Yani 5 points of attachments are there. So here metal is a trap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And formation of chelate. What is chelate? We will say later on. Isn't it? Now next. That is a hexadentate. Remember, this is important. Hexadentate, I will rub this E, hexadentate. Hexadentate. Hexadentate ligand. Yani 6 points of attachments. 6 electron pair donor atoms. 6 electron pair donor atoms. At the time formation of 6 coordinate bonds. एक पक्का chelating agent है सबसे, isn't it? EDTA is the best chelating agent. Chelate यानी heterocyclic complex compound. And we know that chelate is more stable than simple, that is acyclic complex compound. We will see later on in detail. EDTA, an ethylene diamine tetraacetate. What is structure of this? This is ethylene diamine, and here 2 nitrogen atoms are there. ये छोड़ता नहीं. Tetra यानी 4. Here it is 1. O minus. Here second acetate. O minus, here third, O minus, and here fourth, like this. Now you tell me how many electron donor atoms are there? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is why hexadentate, yani simultaneously this ligand can form 6 coordinate bonds with metal or metal ion. This is chelating agent. Remember, in complexometric titration this EDTA is used. Actually, what is the application? Applications of this will say later on. But how many electron donor atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How it can form complex or chelate with metal or metal ion? I will draw the structure of this. I will draw the structure of this. Suppose here it is a metal or metal ion. कैसा पकड़ता है metal और metal को? Metal ion को. Here it is CH2, CH2, nitrogen, nitrogen. One lone pair of here, one lone pair of electrons here, one lone pair of electrons here, and formation of first coordinate bond, second coordinate bond. On this nitrogen, 2 acetate, here also 2 acetate, CH2, C double bond O, O minus. This oxygen is electron donor, so formation of what? Third coordinate bond. Similarly, on this nitrogen, second acetate group is there. So here it is O minus and electron pair donor atom and formation of another coordinate bond. Similarly, on this nitrogen, acetate, 2 acetate groups are there. C double bond O, and here it is O minus, formation of what? Another coordinate bond. Similarly, on this another acetate group, C double bond O, O minus, and formation of another coordinate bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? तो छोड़ेगा नहीं मेटल और मेटल, एक बार पकड़ा ना छोड़े, बिल्कुल छोड़ेगा नहीं. Crab's claw. Isn't it? How many coordinate bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first monodentate, second polydentate. Now third one, ambidentate ligands. Any doubt about this? Ambidentate. Third one, ambidentate ligands. Third one, ambidentate ligands. Remember, ligand with two electron pair donor atoms, but at the time it can form only one coordinate bond. So here two electron pair donor atoms are there, donor atoms, but at the time it can form only one coordinate bond. Only one coordinate bond. I will say two exchangeable points of attachments are there. Exchangeable points of attachment. I will take example. Suppose M, metal or metal ion is there, and NO2 minus is the ligand. Remember, this negative charge is present on nitrogen. Here nitrogen is the point of attachment. Here nitrogen is the point of attachment. I will take another example. Here metal or metal ion, but here I will take ligand O, NO minus, this negative charge present on this oxygen, and here oxygen is the electron pair donor atom. Exchangeable points of attachments, here nitrogen, here oxygen. Here point of attachment is oxygen. Exchangeable points of attachments, that is why these two ligands are said to be ambidentate ligands. Another example of this, remember this another pair, here metal or metal ion, and here thiocyanate, HCl minus, here sulfur is the point of attachment. This is thiocyanate. Another example, Mn plus or minus, NCS minus, here point of attachment is nitrogen. Right? Point of attachment is nitrogen. Name of this ligand is isothiocyanate. यानी two electron donor atoms are there, nitrogen and oxygen, but at the time formation of only one coordinate bond. Here also. So these ligands are said to be ambidentate ligands. So what is classification on the basis of point of attachment? Monodentate, polydentate. In polydentate, bi, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. And third one is on the basis of point of attachment. Exchangeable points of attachments are there. So ambidentate ligands. If any doubt, you can put it in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you very much.